Hey guys, today I'm at Brussels Airport and I will be flying on Emirates' brand new 777 first class all the way to Dubai. But right now, I stopped at a Japanese restaurant in the airport to get a bowl of ramen, and then after that we're going to head over to the lounge.
At Brussels Airport, Emirates uses the airport's Diamond Lounge, which is a small, nice space to wait in, but nothing special.
Okay guys, after a quick visit to the lounge, we are now heading down to our gate to board Emirates 777.
Right after the lounge, I headed to my gate. Here I was able to see the plane I would be flying on, a 777-300ER registered under the number of A6-EQL and is one of just 6 777s that have the new first class product. And before I knew it, boarding had begun.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Happy days.
Welcome on board. The first thing you'll notice is this gigantic cream-colored leather seat designed by Mercedes-Benz. The suite features this large vanity with skincare products, a notepad, and of course Emirates' famous pen. Passengers also get their very own snack basket, as well as an entire minibar with complimentary drinks. And the jewel of the suite is for sure this sliding door that provides floor-to-ceiling privacy. On the left armrest of the seat, you'll find a small storage space, and further down you'll find the TV remote. Near the window is a panel that opens up to the USB and universal power ports. On the right side of the seat is a small retractable cocktail table, and here you will also find control panels finished in gold. At the front of the suite is a large cupboard, which my backpack easily fit into. Near the door of the suite is an even larger closet, but what I loved most about this suite is the extravagant attention to detail.
Service did start off with a pre-departure drink of our choice, so I went for a ginger ale, and wow, this is a really nice suite.
The pre-departure festivities also included a selection of artisanal Arabic dates and a cup of deliciously spiced Arabic coffee. Hot towels were soon to follow just before we started our taxi for the runway. I gotta say that my favorite thing about this suite is this awesome real-time nose camera.
The whole atmosphere of this cabin is so nice. For example, we have these atmosphere curtains, which we don't really need considering we have these blinds. And these blinds are super cool, by the way. But we also have this curtain, and when you unlatch these luxury hooks, my whole first class suite feels so much more cozy. The iPad beside me even has so many unnecessary features. Like, aside from these awesome outside view cameras, we also have ways to call for the crew. You can even do a video call, like why would I need to FaceTime them?
In terms of amenities, Emirates provides guests with Bowers & Wilkins noise-cancelling headphones, as well as a pair of slippers. The area where Emirates really shines, though, is their meal service, which has a very, very long list of options as shown on the menu. Today's service started off with Emirates' signature Virgin Mojito, and shortly after that, the flight attendant came by to set my table as if I was in a 5-star restaurant. My appetizer was quick to follow. I feel I have to mention that I also love these salt and pepper shakers. The meal also came with my own bread basket as well as premium olive oil to accompany it. In terms of my paprika chicken appetizer, it tasted fresh and flavorful. After my appetizer, I had the steak, which was presented impeccably and features an absolutely delicious peppercorn sauce. The steak was cooked perfectly, especially since it was grilled fresh on board. By the time we were over Istanbul, leaving the European continent, my dessert was served, which was an affogato al café, which is basically vanilla ice cream doused in coffee. While it was scrumptious, it was still frozen to scoop, so I did the most logical thing. I drank it. After my meal, I went to see economy, laid out in a 3-4-3 configuration spread across 3 large cabins. Business class was in a 2-3-2 configuration located in 2 forward cabins. And first class, of course, is absolutely beautiful, comprised of high mood-lit ceilings and stunning wall designs, including Emirates' national tree, the Goth. Later on in the night, the mood lights dimmed to reveal an astonishing display of an artificial starry night. The Emirates first class bathroom is pretty nice, featuring Voya lotions, a large countertop, and a large sink, as well as a shelf with a large stack of individually packed bars of soap. There of course is also tissues and paper towel, but here there's also Bulgari perfume and cologne bottles, more gaff tree patterns, and of course another orchid. When I got back to my stunning suite, I found this absolutely unnecessary control panel where you could change the lights to any color in your suite. At this time, I also asked the flight attendant to come turn down my bed. The bed is long and wide and features a 6-inch thick mattress and a luscious duvet and a huge plush pillow. With that, I had no issues falling asleep.
So guys, I just woke up from about a 2-hour nap and I had a really good sleep. The mattress pad on board is thick, the duvet is like real and proper, and the pillow is huge and like so soft. Like this bed is almost as comfortable as the one I sleep in at home.
When I was fully awake, I decided to watch a movie and order some canapé snacks. I also ordered a rich and smooth cappuccino.
This is honestly one of the best coffees I've had in the sky.
After a short 5.5 hours, we were approaching the Emirati coast. Before I show you the stunning views of Dubai, I want to give my thoughts on what is known as the world's best first-class product. I want to applaud Emirates for putting so much detail into the seat, the amenities, the meal services, and just the sheer detail of the entire experience. However, the first-class cabin crew did not own up to their world-famous expectations. Yes, they were professional and polite, but nothing more. They were standoffish and not proactive. They also were talking and chatting with each other for the entire flight, and since I was in row 1, their loud laughter was nothing short of a disturbance to me for the entire flight. So I want to say that Emirates, yes, is an amazing airline, but I want them to know that they need to make sure all of their cabin crew own up to the airline's amazing expectations.
So guys, overall, that was my first time experiencing first class, and it was really different for me. It almost felt like a private jet. The service could have been a bit quicker, but overall the seats absolutely beautiful, the food was presented beautiful, the amenities were great, and if you're looking for a first class worth your money, I definitely recommend Emirates, especially on their brand new 777 first class.
After deplaning, I picked up my luggage. Dubai's airport is gigantic and crowded, so what I really appreciated was Emirates' complimentary chauffeur service, where you can wait in a quiet area before getting picked up by a luxury Mercedes. So remember, I post one new video a month, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next trip.